morning, children. Children, do you know who is a farmer? A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Types of farming. There are several types of farming: commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. First one, subsistence farming. In subsistence farming, crops are cultivated or used only for own family consumption. Such type of farming is called subsistence farming. This method of farming is generally archaic. Archaic means old culture. Next one, commercial farming. The crops are cultivated for commercial use and sold in markets are called commercial farming. This method of farming is done by using modern tools and techniques. Next one, plantation farming. Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. For example, tea, coffee, and rubber. Next one, mixed farming. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. Water resource for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoon. In agriculture in Tamil Nadu, independent on groundwater. Irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to the land or crops for the purpose of agricultural production is called irrigation. Types of irrigation: well irrigation, canal irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and drip irrigation. First one, well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Next, canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India, such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Bihar. Next, sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Next, drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrition. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of plants through pipes. Pipes can be either above the soil surface or buried below the surface. The water directly reaches the roots and minimizes evaporation. Children, I hope you like the video. All the best, children.